This is the grade 7 project miniature golf course hole design. We're just going to start with a little bit of an overview of the expectations for this project like we did in class. As you can see, it's going to start with a theme for your hole. This is where you have a chance to be creative and kind of design something that you would like to design. What you can see up here is 6 different examples of projects that have been done previously by students. And we'll talk about some approaches into designing this. So your hole must fit on an 8-foot by 12-foot space, meaning you've been given constraints by the park to design your hole to fit that area. The thickness of the platform must be 4 inches at a minimum. So the ground of the platform must be 4 inches. And at all times, you have to have a 3-inch wall going around it so the ball doesn't get lost. So minimum height of 3 inches. As you can see in these different designs here, we have varying wall heights and used as ramps and so forth. The standard for the hole for the golf ball to go in is 4.5 inches in diameter and 3 inches deep. This should start off using paper and pencil to design this out. My suggestion would be to use a piece of graph paper, make an 8-foot by 12-foot rectangle to some type of scale, and then sketch out your design within that rectangle so that you know it fits. You do not need to use the entire space, it just needs to be able to fit on that space itself. Again, be creative with this. Use your imagination and have some fun trying to design some of the accessories and different parts that go along with this. And again, sketching it on paper is most often the best thing to do because it allows you to make sure all of your parts fit to scale and they work with each other. In the next videos, we'll go along and give you some tips and tricks on how to make some of these things in Onshape.